Hello everyone, I am Lala Musayeva and today I want to give a little bit information. Today my topic is the danger of the nature. First of all, we are facing dangers in every minute of our life and in every field of our activities. The judging of the extent of these dangers depends mostly on subjective factors. Many of you undertake voluntary the facing of higher dangers, for example, as part of the reactional activities or for better material goods. Handling of the danger of nature, which can be characteristics by various physical parameters, can be simplified and made comparable by calculating the risk. The exclusions of subjective approach became possible as the result of many years of research, also made in many countries. In cause of this analysis, the specialized of various fields, for example, engineers, geologists, meteorologists calculate the probability of return of various source of danger. Also, economic experts calculate the acceptable damage corresponding to the occurrence of these dangers in order to determine the risk. Decision makes usually the parliament of the respective country define the limit value of acceptable risk by calculating the risk of danger became comparable or comparable to the can be decided whether this is a need for making measures aimed at the reducing of these dangers. Thus making the planning of counter measures possible. And also the consequences of natural dangers are in many cases by orders of magnitude smaller than the number of the natural dangers are relatively constant of even on the long term, while the consequences are steadily increasing even in the most developed countries or cities. The tendency is not likely to change even the 20th century, when new challenges will have to be faced due to concentrations of urban populations. There are several structural as well means of reducing risk. This is risk. The risks are full difference. Some of the non-structural means are the better information of the public, the rising of the danger awareness of the society, and the improving the dangers sensitively. To do so, however, the dangers must be clearly defined and specialized must be able to give the possibilities and consequences of nature catastrophes, at least in order of the magnitude. Thank you for listening.